Hello, welcome to day 2 of Adventure in SA Adelaide in Hamilton. We're going to see the waterfalls in Hamilton today, but we're going to go and have breakfast. So, I haven't showed you the rest of the hotel yet, but what you can see is, this is the pool, right over there. It's closed at the moment. It's open from 10 till 7 o'clock. And we have all the this is outdoor area you guys are seeing. So if I open all the blinds, see over there, that's all open. Yeah, I did have a good night's sleep. But anyway, we're going to close them now because we're leaving the hotel now. Alright, and over there, and we'll go and have a look outside now. It's my dad, everyone. That's where we park the cars for guests' hotels. Right out there is Ballarat Road. Yeah, and this is the hotel. I'm outside of the hotel right now. And have a look at this lovely outdoor area. I reckon in there's where they have their dinner. Not. But that's the pool here, but that's the pool here, but we're not going to be entering the pool today. But next time we come away on holidays, if it's here, yeah, that's the outdoor area. So we're on our way to the golf course at the moment in Hamilton, and that's what we're doing right now. Hamilton Golf Club we're heading to, I reckon. Yes, so we're gonna go and have a look how badly the golf course is flooded, and we're gonna go and see what it's like. Anyway, I'll see you at the golf course.
When you move your camera around, you need to do that slower. That's the clubhouse.
Yes. So that's the golf course of Hamilton right now, guys. That's the clubhouse where people check in, and over there, if we keep driving along, that will be the golf tee on the right. The number 1 course, thank you.
One hole, that is. And then,
yeah. So we keep driving along. That's where the carts drive on, but they're not today because of the wet weather. Here, over there's the practice, is the cleaning where people keep their carts, and that's the car park of the golf course. And we're out of here now.
this is hole number 10 down
This is all part of the golf course on the left, guys. Right there, there's a water where people sometimes hit their golf balls in. Wow. Yeah, and this is Hamilton Golf Course. Okay, we're at Macca's in Hamilton now, but what does that mean is, unfortunately, we're not allowed to record in Macca's, because I don't think Victoria lets you record in Macca's, I reckon. But anyway, I will voice record what I had at Macca's. We've just finished Macca's for breakfast. Now we're on our way to the Waterfalls of Hamilton. So we're on the highway at the moment, which is a two-way highway. Yeah, so I don't really usually do videos with families, but anyway, that's where we're heading to right now. Hello, welcome to Wannon Falls. We're going to have a look what the waterfalls are like. How deep is it? Oh yeah, the stairs, yeah. Oh wow. So we are going to have a look at two falls, by the way, guys. But we'll go and walk around, walk down those stairs and see how we go. We'll just walk along here. It is a long way down, what Brad said, by the way, guys. Oh, which accepts their shaft. This is the waterfalls. I reckon we're going to the other side, I reckon. So you used to go down there, didn't you? Okay. Oh, then we got the downhill part, by the way, guys. And there's rocks. Oh, be mindful of them, guys. When you're climbing down rocks, everyone, make sure you always watch where you're walking. I've watched Wannon Falls and from Catch You on the Roundabout, and I saw you had to watch some rocks. Anyway, you always got to watch. So what I like to do, everyone, I like to take it slowly. This is the other end. I'm glad I was wearing my messy shoes, everyone. So this is the other end of other end. Wow. So they're the stairs there where you could have, so they're the stairs here where you could have, so down at the top here where we could have walked down, but unfortunately we weren't able to because they've blocked off the entrance. So we weren't able to go from that entrance all the way to down there because we weren't able to go down the stairs because they blocked off for some reason. And here it's just so beautiful. On the other one there you can see the other waterfall that you guys are seeing. But we're gonna go and have a look at another falls soon, guys. That's the walking we did, everyone. Yeah, well, I don't even know, but if you have messy shoes on, that's okay to walk in mud, but I don't actually do that all the time. So at the back there is where you can see where the water goes. And it's running along, and that's done all the way down there where it's coming from. Yeah. Okay. Now I'll look a bit longer. Alright. Yep, we're going now. Yeah? Yeah, I know.
I'm not going to take a photo from the other side.
Anyway, that's it, that's this falls. We were on that end of the hill where that was. Right now we're going to the other falls now. So there is two falls in this suburb here in Hamilton. So we're actually almost out of Hamilton actually. Not really though.
We're 9 kilometres
Yeah, correct. So we're 9 kilometres out, that's what I meant. So we're heading to the other falls now. So that would, so I don't know, I think that might be the best one, but we'll go and have a look at the other one and see what it's like. And welcome to this lovely falls. We're gonna go and have a look. Here we are, this is the falls. I just cannot believe you get a rainbow from here as well. And behind the waterfalls, the rocks. I'm trying to not get over this pole. Yeah, okay. We'll go on the other side. Look at the lovely hills, everyone. See, this is unstable, and look down. I'm gonna do it for effect so it's safer. So by the way, guys, if you drop a phone that you were over the fence, that you were doing it like that, you lose a phone, and you have to pay lots of money for a new phone. And you lose it forever. Oh, that really messes up your day, you guys. Now, we'll keep having a look. This is the other end of the this is the other end of the river, by the way. So I don't know what part, but over there is where we were before. But this time we're at that end of the reserve. Anyway, we're walking now. And this is the top of the river that goes down. Alrighty, that's it for the waterfalls. Now we're going back to Hamilton to have a look around. Oh, and actually, we had stopped off at OTR, which was on in Hamilton, by the way. Now I forgot to. I haven't been recording much, so this is right behind me is the park and the table tennis courts. Yeah, so we're on North Boundary Road, which is I think we're out of Hamilton. I really should not be standing in the middle of the road, actually, because that's where cars drive along. But if you guys are enjoying this video, like and subscribe to the channel for day 2 and day 1 as well. It's like what I did, like I'm doing coffees right now. Anyway, so I don't know if there's so many people around, because fortunately I can still do that, but I can't have kids in it. Sorry guys, but anyway, we're gonna head in. At the moment, we're having lunch now. We're in a building that we are separate to some tables. Anyway, we'll have some lunch and I'll bring you guys along what I'm having for lunch. So we're having a cousin's birthday party at the moment, and it's going so good so far. Yeah, so this place in Hamilton, which is good. This is located north from Melbourne, Hamilton anyway. So I really recommend you guys come and try that for fun. But anyway, well, we're actually in the room chilling at the moment. But we're having a dessert now. We just had speech, and that's why I wasn't able to record it at all. I was just in the sun, sorry guys. I'll stand at the wall so people can just come past at any time. But anyway, we're going to go and have dessert now, so that will be voiceover when I photo it, because people in it can't, because having people in it with voiceover can't be in it as well. And it's the paintings on the left, by the way. I don't know what I'm touching here. You shouldn't be touching anything, by the way. But I'm inside the building. It's not bad here. So we have the reserve, which you guys are seeing. I think that's the Nets adventure, I reckon. I'm not sure actually. I'll go outside later on and have a look. But I was gonna go and play one of the games, but that's actually for kids only. But anyway, I'm gonna go and eat a dessert now, and see what you guys think. Anyway, welcome to the reserve. I was in that building back there where the birthday party was going on. So you have the walk trail, which is over there. I think right there is where you. I'm not going to walk too far from Dad, but yeah, it's so lovely, that reserve. And over there is where it is towards the car parks, right over there, which is that way. And I reckon over there is where they have the wheel, and I reckon they have, I don't know what that's called, but I think that's where you do the pull-ups or the little line, whatever. I reckon that's right over there. This is fenced area, but you can't get over it. But what we got to do? We got to be careful because this is muddy here. So at the moment, that's the car parks towards there where I was, but except we're on the other side. Anyway, I'm not going to go too far from the building because at the moment I'm with Dad and he needs to be able to see me when I'm out in places. Very careful with that puddle here. So yeah, so I believe this here is the, I believe this is the wire here. This is art centers, I believe. It was a lovely birthday party for lunch here, by the way, guys. So this building here, see, I was in the blue building, I was at the very back, so I reckon this building here, so I really recommend you guys go in here and see what it's like, and it would be so much fun in here, guys, and yeah, so what we did was we had lunch first, we had speech, and then soon after we're gonna have dessert. That would be amazing. That's where you go in, by the way, guys. Yes, so that's what we did for day 2. So I might be doing some travel vlogs, I reckon, like going away on holidays or going in hotels. I'm not really much of a travel fan when I do videos, because there's always someone has to be with me, something like that. Anyway, we've got the log here, which is good, and yeah, I think it's the little line, I reckon, something like that here, or yeah. Anyway, I think that might be it for now, and I reckon that must be the walk trail where that gets you across to the other side of the road, I think, or maybe, who knows. But we are about to head to Gambier. We're about to head to Gambier after this. So when we leave this place, we're off to Gambier, about an hour and a half drive. But anyway, I will see you when I eat dessert, if they're ready, but which they're not at the moment. Anyway, I gotta go. So there was none of the desserts that I didn't like, by the way, guys. So I'm gonna be grabbing a birthday cake instead. So let's go and try it and see what it's like. Anyway, that dessert was lovely, by the way. I'm going to stand near the wall so I'm not getting any people in it. Yes, so I liked the desserts there. They're so amazing. It was the birthday cake I tried and I liked it, and it was chocolate. And I liked how they had the chocolate cakes, and yeah, chocolate cakes as well, and they're amazing. Anyway, we are going to head off to Gambier now, so go and say goodbye and say happy birthday. Goodbye. It's the car park. It's the playground. It's the road we came on. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. That was day 2 in Hamilton, but now we're in Gambier now. If you enjoyed this video, give me a like and subscribe to this channel. And if you would like to see any more holiday videos, go to Catch You on the Roundabout's YouTube channel to watch some holiday videos. Yeah, see, See, my next holiday hopefully will be in October 2023, and yeah, and I'll see you next time when I next upload a video. Goodbye!